Hi guys, I'm here with my sister.
Hi.
And we're gonna be doing an explosion. So what I am going, it's really windy out here. Sorry, I have the hiccups. Let me just go ahead and sit. I'm gonna show you guys how to make an explosion using white vinegar, baking soda, a napkin, and a water bottle, of course with the lid. So what you're gonna need: white vinegar, this. You're gonna need baking soda and a napkin and measuring cup and an empty water bottle and with its lid, because you're gonna put the lid over and then it's gonna explode. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys down right there. Hopefully you'll work. Okay, there. Now I'm gonna just turn it over here so that one stops. Okay, you're gonna get your baking soda. Put it across. Hi guys. Okay, so what I did is I got a napkin, I got baking soda, spread it across, and then rolled it up. Okay, next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get you're gonna get about 200 millimeters right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and go pour that. And so here it is, the white vinegar. Now we're gonna go pour it in a plastic bottle. Gonna go ahead, grab the plastic bottle, and pour your vinegar in. Set that down. There's our little vinegar. And when we put the baking soda in this, it's gonna go shh, and it's gonna blow up, okay? So now, I'm gonna go ahead and come over here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to put it in there. Where's the thing? Where's the lid? Okay, it's gonna explode. Watch out, Stacey. Hey guys, it's gonna explode. Okay, watch out, Stacey. It's gonna explode. if you guys saw that. That was a big one. So guys, I deleted some parts because we were going to show you guys to do the extra parts, but then we didn't because we tried and it didn't work anymore. So only the first time worked, and you guys were kind of from a far scene. But it was better because you guys got to see how high it went and stuff. And that thing above me won't shut up. And the explosion was really fun. And I want to say thanks for watching, and bye.